Okay, let's create a promotion. So let's head over from the dashboard into store and then into promotions. Now we can do a product promotion or a shipping promotion. In this example, we're going to do a product promotion. So let's add promotion and let's call this 10% off 12 plus bottles. By default, the start date is going to be today. So if you don't want this to apply immediately, then you will want to make this start date sometime in the future. End date, if you leave it blank, then it will go on indefinitely. Otherwise, you can certainly put an end date in there. In this case, we are going to do a product discount. Scrolling down to the customers section, you can make this available to all customers, no matter who they are, to specific clubs. And if you do that, then you will have the option to choose which club you want it to apply to and then the frequency. Or you can do specific tags. So if you have some tagged segments in there, perhaps this is just for your big buyers, you could choose that, and then only your big buyers would be eligible for this particular product discount. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do all customers. As we scroll down to the discount section, you define whether it's going to be a percentage off or a dollar off. So obviously percentage off is going to be the 10%. And then down here in the product section, you define where this particular discount is going to apply. So it can apply to the online store. It can be just for specific collections, in which case you can choose which collection it will apply to. Specific departments, if you have those defined. Specific products, so if you just want it applying to, for instance, the 2019 cab, you can do that. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and default it back to the store here. Over here, you can exclude products, so you can do none, which means that everything, all bottles, are going to be eligible for this 10% off of 12 plus bottles. And again, specific collections, specific departments, or you can exclude specific products. All right, so down here we have the action message. This will display on products if the discount applies, and this is in the store. So I'm going to go ahead and put in here order 12 and receive 10% off, and we'll see what that looks like in a moment. And then at the bottom here we have requirements. So order requirements, there are none, or the orders are based on the subtotal, or they're based on the quantity. In this case, we want the orders to be based on quantity. And then we get these boxes that appear, the minimum and maximum. And again, for our example, it's just 12 plus, so we're going to say the minimum is 12. All right, and then we're going to head back up here to the right where we talk about discount stacking. Now in Commerce7, if a customer is eligible for more than one discount, that is more than one promotion and or more than one coupon, then only one of those is going to apply, and that's going to be the one that gives the customer the highest discount. But there may be times when you do want multiple discounts to apply to one order. In that case, you will create a promotion set, and you can learn how to do that in a video that is in this same article. So once you have created that promotion set and added this particular discount to the promotion set, then you can come here and choose it, and then it will be able to be stacked with other discounts. And then down here we have limit usage. So you could do no limit, which means that this particular discount can be used over and over again by the same customers until the end date, if there is one. If you choose per customer, where you're provided with a field where you can put how many times this particular discount can be used per customer. Just one time, 2 times, 3 times, you would define that. Or per store, meaning that this particular discount can be used a total of 3 times across your entire store. So that's a total of 3 customers, and then that's it. Nobody else can use this particular discount. In this case, I'm going to choose no limit, and we're going to save. Awesome, and here it is, 10% off 12 plus bottles. It is active, and it is active starting right now. So let's go take a look and see what that looks like. So logging into the front end. Okay, so here we are. Let's scroll down and take a look at what we've just built here. So here we have the shard and the rosé, and you'll see that action message here that's order 12 and receive 10% off as a little bit of an incentive. Let's go ahead and add some items to our cart. I'll go ahead and put all 12 in there. Add to cart. And here we see it is applying. And down here we see the name of the promotion applying as well. Proceed to checkout. Let's go ahead and place our order. Great, the order is complete. Now when I go back into Commerce7 and I head into store, and there's my order that I just placed. Let's take a look at it real quick. Scrolling down, I can see at a glance that yes, the discount was applied. And if I want to see the exact promotion, I click on the Promotions tab, and I see here that yes, Brittany was logged in, and this is the promotion that she applied to her order. So that is how the product promotions work. If you want to take a look at how a shipping promotion works, be sure to check out the next video in this article.